Hello guys, today we're just here chilling at Jean's place.
Ang ganda ko! Ano kayang gagawin ko today? In anger. Sobra na po! Ang dami ko ng talo! Marapagay!
This is it, pancit.
Ang lakas magbato.
Ay, sorry. My helper for today's vlogs.
Ano ba ito?
Isa po.
Pinapalayas na po siya. Dahil matigas ulo. Ginagalit na si Josie.
Close mo na. New room!
My yoga was like, I think last week when natuloy ko si Nika, grabe yung excitement ko for this. Go, 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 go! One more rep, one more days before there's taught me my yoga, my first ever yoga so, pero also parang na-happy ako. So that was my first visual lesson. So I'm really, really happy and excited to learn. Pili ko timely lang yung pag-try ko ng yoga na yun kasi super train ko talaga the past days kasi ang dami ko talagang bisita guys.
Nandito na ako sa new place ko, guys. And as you can see, guys, it's currently disaster. Napanood yun na yung first video ko. So, yung journey ko, moving to my new place. Ngayon naman, ang gagawin ko ngayon is mag-ayos ako ng mga gamit ko. Kasi yung mga gamit ko ay sobrang kalat talaga. Like disaster talaga siya. And also, guys, nawawala yung passport ko. So, saang lupalup ko hahanapin yung passport ko? Anyways, guys, ayun yung problema ko ngayon. Nawawala yung passport ko. Wala siya dun sa mga documents na lagayan ko. So, hahanapin ko yung passport ko ngayon. Actually, nag-start na ako. Start na ako sa maleta na yan. And hindi ko makita yung passport ko. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ko hanapin yung passport ko, guys. So, medyo maliwanag pa dito sa aking neighborhood. This is my neighborhood. Nakakauwi pa ba ako ng Pilipinas? Hindi. Kasi, mananatili tayo dito. Actually, may ginagawa ako dyan. Ayan, may ginagawa ako dyan. Ang dami ko pang dapat bilhin dito. Kailangan ko ng organizer. Gusto ko sana to maging parang food area. Kasi mahilig ako na may food sa kwarto. And then this one, gusto ko siyang gawin na parang PR area. Yung lahat ng PR na matanggap ko is dyan ko ilalagay. So, this one, I'm not decided yet what I'm going to do in this part. But as you can see, nandito yung mga bags ko and then mga sapatos ko. At sige, naka-video kami. Kasi may pinag-uusapan kami about the concert. Sabi ko mag-vlog lang ako kaunti. Na-check ko dito, wala siya. So, ito yung i-check ko kung nandito yung passport ko. Diba? Ang gulo niya, die. So, come on, Babanas. Everyday, let's go. Everybody, let's go. Bobo naman. So, ayan guys, hanapin natin yung passport ko. At sana makita ko siya. Kundi magiging alien ako.
tu cosita.
So first that I'm going to check is this luggage, guys. This is my big luggage, and this one I'm gonna take this out because I'm going to use this for our Toronto trip. Medyo madumi pa siya, so lilinisin ko siya kasi ito yung ginagamit ko for my makeup. I'm planning this bag. I think I will just, because I like crochet, guys. If you don't know, I'm doing some crochet. So ilalagay ko lang siya sa isang bag. And I don't know kung kailan ako babalik sa pagko-crochet, guys. Ito, guys, yung problema sa akin. Mahirap akong mag-let go ng mga boxes. So, ito yung box pa ng tablet ko na hindi ko ma-let go. Na hindi ko maintindihan kung ba't hindi ko siya ma-let go. So, I don't know what is this for, but I will just put it here. So, this is the real disaster, guys, na kailangan kong i-check. But I don't think so nandito yung passport. Kasi puro damit to, guys, eh. So, ang gagawin ko lang, pagsasamahin ko lang yung mga tote bag because I have a lot of tote bag here. At ilang beses ako bumibili ng tote bag pag nag-grocery kami. Kasi marami kami mag-grocery. Tapos, di namin nadadala yung tote bag kasi naiiwan sa bahay. This, guys, I think I'm going to sell this online because I have a lot of clothes that I don't wear anymore. I will just ask Ken. You like this? No? She said no. Nasaan ko yung passport ko? I'm very sorry to my parents. I think I'm not going back anymore. Paper bag. I think I'm going to fold them because I don't like this. Just gonna fold it like this. One thing I like here, guys, kasi hindi sila nagpi-paper bag or plastic kapag nag-grocery sila. So, they always bring a tote bag or any bag because hindi sila gumagamit ng plastic, which is good. Saving Mother Earth. I need this one for my cam. I'll just post this one. Oh my god, I'm so stressed. Where's my passport? For sure it's not here in this bag. Yeah, it's not here. Let's move on.
Oh my gosh, I'm starting to stress na. Where's my passport?
Actually, guys, these are my winter clothes. But I think I'm going to separate those clothes na hindi ko nagagamitin. I didn't use this one yet, but I'll keep it. This one too. My winter socks, gloves, and bonnets. I feel like I need to declutter this part here. So, yung maleta, dinala ko na siya sa storage room. So, hindi ko nakita yung passport ko. But I still have things to clean, guys. It's more spacious now here and more clean. Pero hindi ko pa nakita yung passport ko. Garbage. Okay. We'll just clean this one quickly. Oh, it's not here too. I hope it's here because if it's not here, I don't know where. Wala siya dito. Oh my god. I can't find my passport. I can't find my passport. So, I don't know where did I put my passport. Which is but two. So, wala siya dito pero aayusin ko na din. I'm so tired now, guys. But if I can't find it today, maybe next day. So, ang last kong i-check is yung maleta na yun. Saan ko nalagay yun? Nakita ko na. Ang tanong, kung nandito ba talaga yung passport ko. Kakatago ko ng mga gamit ko, hindi ko na alam kung saan ko nalagay. Kasi usually guys, kapag mga importanteng bagay, nilalagay ko siya sa random place na feeling ko hindi nila makikita. So alam niyo na kung saan niya hahanapin yung mga random, kung mga importanteng bagay sa akin, kundi sa random place. So may purpose talaga. Ang galing talaga ni Lord, no? May purpose talaga. I feel like I need to declutter this part. Messy. So I'll just take this off. Kasi gusto ko kako spacious yung area na to. Tapos tinanggal ko siya. Tapos makakauwi pa talaga ng Pilipinas. Ayoko nang umuwi.